Welcome to what is affectionately called the Redneck Riviera. Hi everyone, Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru here. We're in Fairhope, Alabama today. Samson and I are going to try out Marianne's Deli. Cheese test, ready? Big dog fell out. I don't like tomatoes anyway. But as you can see, it comes with tomatoes and onions. Give it a little snap, and it's very hot. It's very hot. Right off the grill, apparently. It's so cheesy. I can't even talk around it. Right here, we're gonna get everything in there. It's very good. It has some kind of sauce on it that really blends well with the cheese, and the tomatoes give it just that little acidic taste. It blends really well. I'm surprised actually, and very pleased. Their honey mustard sauce is definitely something to write home about. Be sure to call ahead if you need gluten-free bread. The kind they offer is good, but it is not offered every day. I mean, that's cheese. You want cheese? That's cheese. When I hear the word deli, I don't just think sandwich. I hear a flavorful sandwich that's something special. Marianne's does the grilled cheese sandwich the honor of making it just that, something special. So if you are interested in more of what this Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru has to say, make sure you click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.